You got an ice cream? Is that a butterbeer ice cream? Nice. Pretty would like this, huh?
Oh, this